Hello there everyone and welcome back to Coding Rail Java program tutorial. Now today we are going to see some searching technique, and in this video we will see linear search, and in my next video I'll walk you through binary search also. So let's get started. Now here I have created one Java class. So before going to start our program, let's import scanner class here, that is present in util class. Here we have our scanner class. So let's create scanner object. Now here we have scanner class object. So let's create array of integer numbers where we will find any particular number. Let's say 12, 33, 40, 54, 67, 23, 11, 44, 2, 5, 7, 9. I think that is enough. Now let's take the length of this array. For that we will use len variable. Now here we have scanner class object, array, and length of this array. Now let's print some message for user for enter any number. That number we will find in this array. For that we will use scanner class here. Let's store in n variable. Next int. This method take the input from the command line, or you can say console. It will take input from user side and it will store in n variable. So let's start for loop and start with 0. It will go till l minus 1. Now here, if you still have doubt why I have written len minus 1 here, you can check my previous video. There I have explained in a better way. Here I am not going to explain it. Now here we have to check the condition that that particular number is equal to our array values. If this is equal, then print message this number is present in this position. I plus 1 this for position. Yeah, that's it. This is as simple as that. So here we got the output and we have printed the message that number is present in this position. What if the number is not present in this array? For that let's create one temporary variable. We will call it as count, initialize it with 0, and whenever we will successfully find that number, we will just increment our counter. Once we will get out of this for loop, we have to check that count value. If this is equals to 0, then we will print here one message that number was not found. Yeah, that's it. If the counter value is 0 after the for loop, that means the compiler was not entered in this section, means this number is not present in this array. So let's run our program. Let's enter any number like 23. 23 is present. Where it is? In the 5th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's working fine. And let's enter any random number again. 54. Here it's also present. 1, 2, 3, third position. let's enter 4. Number was not found because 4 is not present in this array. So that's it from this video, guys. I hope you understood the concept. If you like it, then please hit the subscribe button and share with your friend. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.